Today, we are going to talk about a simple and quick bathroom cleaning routine. But before we talk about cleaning products or scrubbing anything, we need to talk about habits because the easiest mess to clean is the one that never happens. The habit we're talking about today is called the one touch rule, and it applies to your entire home, not just the bathroom. The one touch rule is simple. As soon as you're done using something, put it back where it belongs. Not later, not in a minute, right then. If you put on lip gloss, don't set it on the counter. Put it back in the makeup drawer or organizer. If you use a hairbrush, return it to its place. If you take medication, put the bottle away immediately. When everyone in the household follows this rule, clutter doesn't build up. Surfaces stay clear, and cleaning becomes faster and less stressful everywhere in the house. Cleaning works best when habits come first. Now, onto the bathroom. First things first, add cleaner to the inside of the toilet bowl. Spray cleaner on the tub and shower walls. This step is important because most cleaners work better when they're given time. Letting them sit now means less scrubbing later. While those cleaners are working, move on to the rest of the bathroom. Use dish soap and warm water or a gentle all-purpose cleaner like vinegar and water. Wipe the sink, faucet, and counters. Rinse and dry. Finish with a quick mirror wipe. Only put back what's used daily. Fewer items on the counter means less to clean tomorrow. Now move to the outside of the toilet. Clean in this order: handle, lid, and seat, rim, base. Now scrub the inside of the toilet bowl with a toilet brush. Scrub thoroughly, flush. Because the cleaner had time to work, this step should be quick and easy. Next, return to the tub and shower. Lightly scrub walls and surfaces. Focus on corners and build up areas. Rinse thoroughly. For regular maintenance, this does not need to be aggressive. Letting the cleaner sit does most of the work. Now, shake out any bath mats. Clear out dirty towels and washcloths and replace hand towels with clean ones. Empty the trash. Floors always come last, so you don't undo your work. Sweep or vacuum. Mop if needed. Daily habits matter more than deep cleaning. Every day you should follow the one-touch rule. Wipe the sink after use. Hang towels to dry. Once a week, clean the whole thing. And keep cleaning supplies under the sink to make cleaning easy. This isn't about perfection. It's about creating systems that quietly support your home. The one-touch rule prevents clutter everywhere in the house. Letting cleaners sit makes cleaning easier. Doing things in the right order saves time and energy. That's homemaking the way it's always been done. Calm, practical, and steady. All right, y'all, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a like. It helps this channel reach the folks who need it. And if keeping home feels like your kind of place, I'd love for you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Remember, you don't need to do everything. You just need to tend what's been given to you. Take care of your home, take care of your people, and don't forget to take care of yourself too. Stay safe and be well, and I'll see you next time here at Keeping Home.